What's going on? Jonathan Ronzio here, CMO at Trainual. Just wanted to say that I am absolutely stoked to get out to Bali and speak with you at Running Remote. And not only speak, but just be there, to attend, to hear and learn from the other speakers and from you. There is going to be so many amazing thought leaders and founders and partners and creatives in the same place, in just an incredible place, Bali. And it's just going to be an awesome time. So what I'm going to be talking about is process documentation and basically how to document processes to scale your remote teams. And my background, I've been basically an adventure athlete for a decade. I've been traveling the world, climbing, creating content on all these crazy backcountry expeditions, and along the way, needing to make sure that while I was out in the mountains, things were still getting done, things were publishing, my content teams, my writing teams were making things happen. And for years it was a struggle to make that happen until we built Trainual. And once my brother and I worked on launching the tool that would actually do that, where you could actually build the playbook for your business and document your SOPs and your systems and your processes and ensure consistency in message delivery, where people could actually be empowered to know how to do what you do, that's how you grow. And it wasn't until that we were able to scale to the degree that we have with Trainual. And I can't wait to share my story through that and how you can learn from doing the same to document your own processes and get your business out of your brain so that you can scale your company but build your remote teams around the world. Can't wait to see you there.